Yo, it's good. It's your boy Kurt, and today we have another reaction. So today, man, we have the day 2 of the Thanksgiving fan meet ng Esplanade sa California. Again, this is I was there Thanksgiving fan meet day 2, man. We have fan cams now uploaded for the day 2. I'm really excited with this. We're gonna watch all of the curricular other activities that they have on this fan meet. So we have a couple of videos again here, up and ready. Without no further ado, let's get it.
Ricardo.
Ricardo?
Everyone call him Ricardo.
Ricardo.
Ricardo, what is your first question?
Your first question is, kung may hiramin kayong
Ganda ng parang camouflage.
anything from other members for a day. Kung may
Ganda.
hiramin kayong anything from
Anything.
other members for a day. Ano ito at bakit? So I will translate, or Justin, can you translate that?
Oh, sure. Easy.
Bakit hinidiin natin si Justin for translation?
If one of us could borrow anything from one another, what would it be and why?
Wow, nice! Let's go!
Grabe ka na.
Answer first?
Oh, doon tayo
Important ka na. Okay, you go first.
Ano to, isa-isa?
Hindi na naman aware to si Ken eh.
Yeah, isa-isa.
Isa-isa.
You can borrow one thing from
Okay, okay.
Sa akin, anong hiramin mo?
Sa iyo, isa-isa
Sa isa, yeah.
Isa-isa ba?
One.
One thing lang, di ba?
I think,
You got
parang
that
hirap.
one thing.
it's a soft one. Just one.
It's a tough one. I guess you have to borrow the mist, right? I guess you have to borrow the mist. Maybe. Maybe.
I'm gonna borrow money from you.
Money, okay.
Yeah, okay. And Pablo,
It's like the old days.
I think I'm gonna borrow,
One thing lang sa lahat, right? Or one thing kada member? One thing kada member ba? One of the members, right?
digital
One of-
instruments from Pablo.
Digital- okay.
Still,
The mist. The mist.
I think games. Because I still play a lot of games also. And Josh, I think I'm gonna borrow. No way.
Bria.
Bastos.
Basta.
Meron mo ba
Hirap na hirap naman kay Josh.
Pwede rin wala.
Siguro
The Astro Boy shoes.
pampalambot ng buhok.
Pampalambot ng buhok?
Kasi yung buhok eh. Yeah. Alright.
Damage for damage.
Pampalambot ng buhok?
Ako naman,
Alright.
si Justin. Gusto kong i-borrow ang kanyang cellphone for a day.
For one item ba? Or one anything per member? Alam ko. Anyway, so
Titignan ko
I
lahat
guess
ng kanyang secret.
every member na.
Hindi, just kidding. Yung turtle niya. Turtle.
Turtle?
Wala bang turtle?
I have to.
Ha?
I have to.
Di ba?
Ah.
So I'm gonna borrow one of the turtles. I wanna experience mag-alaga ulit. Kasi meron ako dating turtle.
Gusto mo yung pagong ko?
Ha?
Gusto mo yung pagong ko?
Oo, gusto ko yung pagong mo.
Why do we... na. Ba't ganun yung pagkakatanong? Gusto mo yung pagong ko, ha? Gusto mo yung pagong ko? Paglalabas na yung ulo ng pagong ko, gano'n.
Hindi lumalabas sa ganun.
Ganun ba yung pagong mo?
Yeah.
Yung ulo, gumaganon?
Nice.
Alright, okay Pablo.
Si Pao,
Wanna borrow your, turtle.
kapugian daw.
Kapogian!
Yes. Si Stel, So, i-borrow sa kanya yung...
Nagkatinginan
yung
pa?
massage chair niya. Yung
Massage
chair.
chair.
Meron siya massage chair sa bahay.
Thank you po sa nagregalo. Thank you po.
Tapos kay Ken, gusto ko
Sarap no, no? May
i-borrow
massage chair ka sa bahay.
siguro yung Ayun, tama, yung Supra. As ibebenta natin. Ibebenta natin, di ba? Hiram lang, uy.
Supra, no? Na, ako naabutan niya yun. Pero, nalala niyo no, high school, man. Supra is the way, man.
Ay, hindi, syempre pag inahiram mo, bebenta mo na.
Lalaki ng sapatos nyo, no? High school ka. Parang bulldozer.
Para lang ma-experience ko
Tama.
ang dresser. Kasi wala akong ganun. Pero yun, parang excited siya matry yung dresser. Kay Pablo, siguro, manghiram ako ng one book na pinaka-favorite niya para at least magkaroon lang ako ng idea ano yung
Kung anong
feeling
klase ng
magbasa.
book.
Sabi nila face mist daw.
Ha?
Told ya. Told ya. Dapat kay Ked din eh.
Guys, sorry, I can buy a new one.
Okay, oh.
I don't need to borrow from him. I can just buy a
Nag-iba na.
Guys.
Nag-iba na
Kaya
ngayon.
kami nagtatrabaho para may pambili kami.
Pambili ng
Kaya
face
hinirap ko
mist.
sa kanya ng book. Yung pinaka-favorite niya para matry ko lang yung feeling ng binabasa niya.
Teka. Tapos na ba yung binigay kong libro sa'yo?
Oo, yung sa yung basta yung yung for company. Oo. Yung nasa table ko. Yes.
Okay.
And then kay Josh, siguro hiramin ko. Ano pwedeng hiramin sa'yo?
Ba't parang hirap-hirap sila kay
Siguro
Josh?
Si Tita si Tita na lang.
Yun nga na yung
Step
hirap.
into my world. Para pag hiniram ko yung mama mo, kasama yung spices niya.
Spices.
Yun na lang. Kay Justin, hiramin ko yung mga paintings niya and yung mga canvas. Magta-try ako
Nice.
mag-paint, tapos pag sinoli ko sa kanya, tanggapin niya na lang kung ano yung pinaint ko.
Tama.
Ako na ba?
Oh, sige.
Hindi
Ah,
ba?
From Ken, I'd like to borrow his tattoos. Para
Tattoo.
cool din si Pablo.
Cool din si
Gusto ko
Pablo.
rin kasi magka-tattoo, pero ayoko permanent. So, nakuha.
Talaga ba?
Sasauli ko lang.
Pero ingat ka namin mamaya.
Bagay, no? Parang hindi naman style ni Pablo
Pwede
magpatapa.
rin.
No regrets.
No regrets.
Tapos kay Josh, sabi niya kasi last interview, his best accessory daw is his confidence. So, I'm gonna borrow his confidence.
Oh.
First,
Sheesh.
I will borrow his biceps kasi it's so big.
It's so big.
Kaya mo rin yun eh.
Ba't di mo sa akin?
sa sobrang daming ginoke ni Pablo throughout no sa mga interview na lagi niyang kasabay siya sabi niya pagkasabay kami niya ni Stel mag-gym ganyan kung totoo talaga yon siguro parehas sila ng biceps ni Stel ngayon eh kung lahat ng mga interview na gino-joke ni Pablo na oo mag-gym kami dalawa mag-gym kami ni Stel kung totoo talaga nangyayari parehas siguro sila ng biceps ngayon
No, cannot be found.
Laging
kay Justin
eh.
naman, siguro yung cats
Laging
niya,
puna
parang
ni
still
Pablo yung muscles ni
cannot be
Still eh.
found. Kay Justin naman, siguro yung cats niya, para mas dumami yung cats. Para mag-away-away sila sa bahay.
My turn. Okay, kay Pablo, I'll borrow Tita Grace. Because Tita Grace is a good cook.
Oo, bakit?
I want to eat a lot of delicious food.
Si Tita Gemma ba? Hindi good cook? May parang nakaraan lang tayo ng vlog ni Justin na nagluluto siya ng manok, di ba?
Hindi, baka magsasabihin.
Gusto mo ba ata magsabunutan si Tita Gemma? Mabara ba?
First, I'll borrow his cats as well. So, playmates with my cats. Yeah.
Wait, what? That's sweet.
Mabara ba?
First, I'll borrow his cats as well. So, playmates with my cats.
Playmates with my cats, of course.
Yeah. For Josh, I'll borrow his problems.
What?
So, he can be free from his problems, right?
Wow.
Such a good friend.
I'm such a good friend. Bakit parang ano, no?
Eh, kaya lang ang problema niya yung sarili niya eh.
Yun lang. For Ken, I'll borrow his most expensive clothing.
What's your most expensive clothing?
Ayun, sabi niya eh. Darating yung question na yun eh.
The Chrome Hearts bag, I think. I'll borrow it.
Amounting to.
Ah, amounting.
Alright. That's all that we're gonna borrow from.
Thank you so much, boys. Here is your second question. As a group, anong pipiliin nyo? Magpakilala ng Filipino music across the globe.
Globe?
Pero,
Just the globe?
sintonado kayo at di sabay-sabay sumayaw.
What?
Or, never nyo mapapakilala ang Filipino music pero super talented
Ang hirap naman nun. Wait. What? I guess, ano na lang, no? Hindi na lang may ano lang, diba? Ano lang naman, diba? Parang globally, diba? Pero sa Pilipinas, kaya pa nilang ipakilala. I mean, I guess yun na lang, no? Kasi, aanihin mo pa yung mapapakilala mo globally yung music natin. Pero mapapakilala mo siya in a way na sintonado. O hindi sabay-sabay. Yung kahiya-hiya yung dating. No, wag na lang. Diba? Dito na lang sa Pilipinas. Kahit na, I mean, hindi man maging globally, for example, hindi talaga siya tumatagos, outside the Philippines. But at least, marunong pa rin silang kumanta, sabay-sabay pa rin sila. I guess yun na lang, no? You know? Kaysa yung tumagos nga kayo, no, sa global scene, tapos yung music nyo naman, pucha, mediocre.
kayo.
Hindi na. Kahit ako as an artist, wag na lang eh.
We need to answer as a group.
Kaya nga Mr. Yun eh. It's very hard.
Kaya, ang hirap.
Ako sasagot.
Ay, paano yung question nga ulit?
Across the globe. Pero, sintonado kayo at di sabay-sabay sumayaw. Or, never nyo mapapakilala ang Filipino music pero super talented kayo.
You know what? I'm sorry, other countries, but I feel like di namin mapapakilala yung music. Dito na lang sa Pilipinas, kung gano'n, no? Kasi parang yun yung pinaka, no? Pinaka, pwede mo talagang, kung wala ka talagang ibang option, at least you can be, a good singer and a good performer, artist sa Pilipinas. Yeah, I mean, siguro yun na lang, no?
We need to answer as a group.
Kaya nga Mr. Yun eh. It's very hard.
Ako sasagot. Ako pipiliin ko yung mapakilala yung OPM sa buong mundo. Kahit sintonado, tsaka wala sa tono. Pares na pala yun, tsaka hindi sabay-sabay. At least kilala na. Kasi pwede naman mag-improve pa yun.
I don't know. I feel like parang hindi ako nag-a-agree kay Pablo doon. Di ba? Parang, ang hirap naman na nakilala yung Filipino music na umpisa as a joke. Di ba? Parang, I mean, nakilala na kayo. I mean, meron ng way para, tawag dito, patunayan na yung ibang mga Filipino artists is magaling din, no? But ang hirap alam mo yun, ang hirap bawiin nung unang tingin sa'yo ng mga tao. Kasi, let's be honest, karamihan ng mga tao ngayon natitingin talagang una, o mas tinatanggap nila is yung pangit sa isang tao bago nila ma-appreciate yung maganda. Guess nyo ako. Tapos minsan kahit pag nauna yung pangit, kahit maganda na yung mga ginagawa kasunod, hindi na pinapansin. Mas sina-highlight pa rin yung pangit. Diba? Kaya parang ang hirap na. I mean, that's internet for you, man. Let's be honest, that is internet for you. Nagkamali ka ng one time kahit hindi mo sinasadya. Tapos, like, all the time, you're doing a good thing. Maganda yung ginagawa mo. Hindi na nila papansin yun. Okay, sino nag-chat sa akin? Ba't nyo ako sinachat? Ha? So, ayun. I guess di ako nag-agree kay Pablo dito.
Also, I have learned something from Spider-Man, watching Spider-Man. You know,
Great
sabi
powers
doon,
comes great
with great
responsibility.
power comes with great
Great responsibility.
Higher bill sa Meralco.
I agree. Yep, totoo.
With great power, there's ano yun? Great responsibility. Yes. But dun sa bagong Spider-Man, that responsibility you're not gonna do it alone. You need someone. So if we were able to introduce Filipino music across the globe na sintonado, others can prove it, diba? Like the other groups na better.
I don't know, guys. I don't know. Can you weigh in on this? Parang hindi ako masyadong nag-agree doon because, again, I know the attitude of people sa internet, no? 'Di ba? Again, ang kapangyarihan ng mga boses ng mga tao sa internet is sobrang mas malakas na ngayon kaysa sa sigaw ng tao. You know, like literally, pag narinig mo yung tao na sumisigaw dyan, nag-rally, 'di ba? Minsan mas naririnig ko pa yung sigaw ng mga tao sa internet, yung mga karante na sa internet, kaysa yung mga nag-rally mismo in real life, 'di ba? Yung mga nag-run sa internet, naririnig mo buong mundo. Kaysa dun sa mga nag-rally dyan sa Luneta, 'di ba? I don't know. I cannot, you know. I feel like me as for example, kunyari ako si Pablo. I guess ang nasa isip kasi ni Pablo ngayon, no, is yung goal nila to, of course, make sure na yung Filipino music is makatagos sa global scene, no? But then again, I feel like hindi yung sa puso ni Pablo hindi rin siya mag-agree. Imagine si Pablo is an artist, you know, sa puso't kaluluwa niya, no? Kahit siguro hindi siya maging SB19, hindi siya sumikat, is going to be an artist sa puso't kaluluwa niya. Imagine nawalan ka ng abilidad to actually sing and to dance, you know, to make, you know, actual good music in your own way. Like parang hirap no?
Because we need to be together as one.
I don't know, hindi ako nagka-agree. Pasensya na. SB19, pasensya na. I still love you guys. I love you, pero hindi ako nagka-agree.
Galing.
Yes.
Yes, next
Good
question.
answer for the group.
Thank you so much.
Copy-paste.
Oh, this is a question.
Hindi ako nag-agree. I don't know why. I feel like hindi siya hindi siya magandang way. No? Parang ang mas maganda niyan, let's be the one na magiging, kung ganoon din naman yung plano ng SB19 na makikilala sila, kunyari, you know, sintonado or hindi sabay-sabay or hindi maganda yung music, tapos may may mga ibang susunod naman na pwede na lang, you know, sumunod or patunayan na hindi lang yun yung music ng ng Pilipinas. Why not be a fucking good artist here in the Philippines tapos mag-train ka ng artist na iba na tatago sa global scene, 'di ba? Gets nyo ako? But hindi na lang ganon. Like what they're doing in 1Z. I mean, they can still create 1Z. For example, kung sa Pilipinas ang still sumikat, they can still create 1Z, man. And then, they can train new artists. Kung hindi talaga sila pwede, kunyari, there's some curse na pinipigilan tong limang to tagos to the, global scene. Pwede sila mag-train na lang ng ibang artist. No, like for example, let's say Sonara, diba? Train Sonara and then let Sonara be the one na tatagos sa global scene. At least, diba? Ano mo yun? Kasi sabi ko, maybe mali ako, pero I feel like yun yung pipiliin ko talaga. I am so invested with this question. I'm sorry.
For everybody, I will do it one by one. All right? For Stel, kung gagawa kayo ng movie na kayo ang actors, if you will create a movie, what would be the title?
Thank you for that.
I'm sorry, hindi pa rin ako makamove. Hindi pa rin ako makamove on. Kasi alam niyo bakit hindi ako makapayag-payag? Kasi I feel like maraming 18 ang katulad ko. No? Again, I love the personality of every member of SB19. Gustong-gusto ko yung SB19 music, Like all aspect, man. Pati yung personality nila. Even their vlogs is natutuwa ako. Pero nagsimula yung lahat dahil sa music nila. 'Di ba? I tell you honestly, most probably hindi ko sila ipa-follow kung hindi maganda yung music nila. Let's be honest. And I feel like maraming 18 din yung ganun, no? Like right now, na mahal na natin sila, right? Like, hindi lang basta music, lahat ng bagay na ginagawa nila. But bago ako mapunta sa ganitong sitwasyon, nag-umpisa ako sa music, right? So I feel like kung hindi maganda yung music nila, I feel like I'm not gonna be 18. You get what I mean? I mean, maybe tatago sila sa global scene in that scenario, on that situation, on the example, the question. Pero I feel like hindi sila magkakaroon ng kasing solid na fandom kung gano'n ang mangyayari. Let's be honest. I know, napaisip kayo na, hindi, mahal na mahal ko yung talaga ba? Paano kung mediocre sila nung umpisa? Diba? Ang pangit ng music nila, di sila sabay-sabay. Yun yung nila yung panghugot nila di ba? Para makilala sila ng mga tao. Yung talent nila I don't know. Maybe I'm yapping too much.
Wonderful question. If we're going...
Anong question ulit?
Kung gagawa kayo ng movie, na kayo ang actors, if you will create a movie, what would be the title?
Thank you for that wonderful question.
Wow.
If we're going to make a movie, I believe
Ah,
the
okay.
title would be
Okay.
Stop, Stop, Stop.
What?
And it goes like this. Stop, stop, stop!
Bakit?
Giselle, the movie title is Stop, Stop, Stop.
Yes.
Why?
Justin, what is the conflict of the story?
I'm sorry, what? Bakit stop?
Stop, Stop, Stop.
Yes.
Now, Justin, what
With the
is
conflict.
the conflict of the story?
The conflict of the story is that time will always stop whenever you do something
Productive.
good. And it will only
Continue.
move on after 5
Doing-
minutes.
Thank you, Justin. Josh, here is your question.
So, hinto ang oras pag may mabuti silang ginagawa. That's actually a new concept. A new concept, no? Is that's the conflict. So, kailangan niyang gumawa ng masama, no? And people need to understand kung bakit masama yung ginagawa niya.
Sino ang bida at ano ang special characteristic niya?
Sino daw? Josh?
Special characteristic? Meron ba nun?
Ikaw ba gagawa eh?
Ako yung bida. Kwento ko yun eh. So ako yung bida. Okay, ito ba yung reference?
Ano special character?
Blue eyes siya.
Ayun, blue eyes siya.
Blue eyes.
Thank you. And Ken, sino naman ang kontrabida? Who is the villain and what is the special characteristic?
I think Stella will be a great
Villain.
for this one.
Ah.
Kasi sa lahat ng mga ano kasi ni Josh, lahat ng mga sinasabi ni Josh, si Stella talaga yung
Kumukontra.
sa kanya. So lahat talaga masabi si Josh. So I think Stella's a great villain. Tsaka I think magkakaroon si Josh ng character development or like growth kung paano niya i-hone yung kanyang
Tama.
yung kanyang powers or like specialty. So yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful
Specialty
answer,
to
Ken.
stop
And
time
Pablo,
pag may ginagawa sa mabuti.
what is the ending of Stop, Stop, Stop?
Stop.
So, the villain pulls up, wreaking havoc. Sino yung villain, sister? Mag-wreak havoc ka.
What?
Wag wala ka.
I mean, wreck the city. Ganun.
Ano ba yan?
Arr. Nag-stomping.
Pero may thirst trap yung habok na may thirst trap.
Thirst trap.
May thirst trap. Tapos, darating si Josh. Sabay sila magta-thirst trap.
What?
Ano ba yan?
Napilitan kayo, no? Napilitan kayo dahil kayo pinuno.
Dali na! Ayan na yung ending eh.
Dali na.
Kanina na. Galingan niyo muna.
Alright, sige.
Tapos sasali si Pablo, magta-thirst trap din siya.
Napilitan.
Papasok ako. Stop!
Ay, pala.
Ending of the story.
Yan pala yung ending ng story. Doon pala galing yung stop. Nice.
What a great story.
What a great movie, man.
Very inspiring.
An
Thank
inspiring.
you, boys. That was your last question. Thank you for
Nice.
joining. What's up?
Alright, next we have the Was Seer and Goat a Friend.
AD, prepare your questions. Or just look for any advice under the sun. I'm sure the seers can answer you.
This time Ken is with Justin, no? And Josh is with the bowling seer. So
Now
di na sila
we
bowling
have
seer.
2 seers on the left side. There you go. Raise your hand. Please
Lagi na lang late si no? Parang laging tuliro si Ken eh.
introduce yourself.
My name is Twenties.
How we're doing it. We're doing that. We're pulling up the age card, man. We're pulling up the age card. The bunso and the kuyas.
Alright, hello, Twenties. Now seer on the right. What is your
yung mga gatong klaseng idea, alam mong galing kay Justin to eh.
Guwapi.
Guwapings.
hello, seer guapings?
20 seer and Goping
18,
seer.
I think we are ready to take your question.
On behalf of all 18 from all corners of the world, congratulations, and we are proud of you. My question is actually, I need your advice.
Oh.
So how should I break the news to my daughter that she's no longer an only child because I decided to adopt you guys, whether you like it or not.
What?
The news to my daughter that advice. So how should I break the news to my daughter that she's no longer an only child because I
Break a news to my daughter is not only that she's not going to be the only child.
decided to adopt you guys.
To adopt you. To adopt SB19, no?
Whether you like it or not, and you are now part of my monthly budget.
Sorry, what's your question? What is your question?
I need
Taray,
advice on how
mayaman
to
si
break it to my daughter that
nanay.
she's no longer an only child.
Okay, break it to me gently. Alright.
Break it
I
to me
think
gently.
20s will start. What is
Okay.
your answer?
20s. Great news. We are blessed that
We
money is abundant.
abanda. Yes! It's all about the body!
We are blessed that money is abundant. Now, Joaquin Seer, what is your answer?
Guwapi. Surprise! Guwapi.
What?
Surprise! We are your family.
Okay. Alam mo yung panghugot doon is you guys are ayun, part of my monthly budget. Eh, yun yung pinaka-panghugot doon eh, no?
We are your family. Thank you so much, Seers. Now, we are ready for the second question.
What can you advise in regards to my financials?
Kung kanina yung the money is abundant, ito naman, they need, financial advisor because the money is, gone.
She is looking
It's
for
not enough.
advice for her financials. All right. Let
Okay.
us start with Guapings Seer.
Guapings. Guapings.
Tumigil ka manood ng concert ng SB19.
Guapings. Baka nasusobrahan ka na po. Baka lahat na pinupuntahan nila, andun ka kasi.
Thank you, Guapings. Now, what is your advice? 20s Seer.
20 year.
20s. Pa-adopt ka na lang. 20s.
Para doon sa reference para doon sa unang nag-question.
Thank you so much. All right, her question is, do you want to go to her debut? Let us start with 20 Seer. What is your
Ay, my God, no. Hindi natin narinig yung pinaka-question
Go
talaga.
to her debut.
Okay.
Let us start with 20 Seer. What is your answer?
20s. That's so good.
Yeah.
Bye.
That's that. Goodbye. 20s.
Now, Booking Seer, what is your
That is so goodbye. Guapings.
My name
Is
Guapings. And I am invited in
To-
your debut.
Guapings. Guapings. Let's go.
All right. Next question. What is your name, sir?
Erich,
Hello. What is your advice or question that you want to ask?
I'm going to Coachella next year. Are you guys going?
Oh. 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 Oh, she.
All right. I think Guapings will answer that question first. What is your answer?
Guapings. Since you will go to Coachella, we are going to go? Question mark. Maybe we will not fail to go to your house.
Grabe.
Alright, now
Nabuhusan tayo ng brain cells doon. Okay. I guess this is the... Let's see. Let's see these two. 20s.
Your wish
Is my...
command.
Nah. Did 20 Seer confirmed it? Oh shit.
thank you so much. Now for this last question, we will answer together.
Which
as
is my
one
command.
seer. What is your final message to your dear HC?
Okay. Ano pangalan ng bagong Seer? What? Ano ba talaga?
Our final
Message to 18
is to
keep chasing
Your
what
feels right.
even when life
gets hard.
little
Huh?
lawless.
Yeah, a little lawless. Oh. I guess they perform lawless after that. That's a nice ending, you know?
Hey! May sample na tayo for them? Yes, I think
Oh, we
should
have
do a
Ken
sample,
and
right?
Stel now.
Sample. So what gonna happen is... Oh, how about the...
No, of course we need volunteers. Who wants to go with us? 18. Who wants to go with us? Let's go 18. Let's go. Oh, yeah, we have it ready. Come on. Let's jump up. Let's go 18. Let's go. Let's go. We got 18 in the house. Yellow.
Alright, now we have our teams. We will find a name from the audience.
Oh wait, we need to team up as well, right?
Wanna go kampihan?
Are you familiar with teaming up kampihan?
Kampihan.
Tagalog naman, di ba? Huwag natin pahirapin yung mga sarili natin. Kampihan. 1, 2, 3. Kampihan. Sana, 1, 2, 3. Kampihan.
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 Okay,
Okay.
3 of you and then the 2 of you. Okay.
Okay.
There.
Ayan.
Perfect. Alright.
I think tanungin muna natin ano mga pangalan nila.
Oh yeah.
Ano pangalan
What are your
nila?
names?
Tanungin natin. O, kayo muna dyan. Tanungin nyo
Ano bang pangalan?
Hello, my name is Riza.
Si Ma'am Riza.
Are you from here?
Okay. San Francisco.
What is your name?
I'm Annie from Seattle, Washington.
Seattle.
Hey, how about you guys?
Dito naman. What's your name?
I'm Rachel from Hawaii.
Hawaii.
Next.
Hi everybody, my name is Tyrone.
Ronald Park. He's from here.
He's from here.
Last but not to least, my name's Chris from San Jose. Shout out to my wife right there.
Shout out wife.
You guys know this.
Ow! Why do we have a lot of like fucking cuts, man? Like fucking cuts. Let me find another one with a go friend. Okay, so I have one in here from Tita Marilu. Let's go.
Shout out to my wife right there.
Shout out wife,
I
ulit.
think we're ready. Do you guys know this game? Are you guys familiar with this game?
Ah, we know the game now.
Not yet?
because of yesterday.
Sample muna tayo dyan, mga pare.
Yon, mga pare, let's go!
We need a name, right?
We need a name.
All right, let's find a name in the audience. Shout your name, everybody.
Come on, come on.
The one. Okay, the one with the lawless shirt. Yeah, you know. What's your name?
Lawless.
Casey. Casey.
Casey is your name.
Casey is the name.
Here is your beat.
KC!
Oh, Casey.
Okay? Okay.
Wanna go
Okay.
first?
I've got a friend whose name is Casey. Marami siyang ginagawa, siya ay
BC!
Oh,
I got a friend named Casey.
Go.
Yeah,
Go.
I got a friend whose name is Casey. Ang English ng masaya ay
Happy!
yeah. I've got a friend whose name is Casey. Mahilig sa soda, mahilig sa
Pepsi! Gee! Ang dali ng Casey, no?
I've got a friend whose name is Casey. Masipag siya, hindi siya.
Lazy!
lazy.
Okay? 80 naman?
Oh. I've got a friend, her name is Casey. Napakaingay niya, ang pangalan niya.
Noisy! Tawag sa... Wala na. Tawag sa kanya, noisy.
Let's go.
Ah,
I got a friend, her name is Casey. We are neat, we're not
messy. We are neat. We're not messy.
She wanna die.
Ah.
I got a friend whose name is Casey. Pag in-spelling pangalan niya, dalawang letter and it's
Casey. It's okay. It's okay. She tried. Casey. Also Casey.
So I think na-gets na natin lahat.
Yep.
That was a practice match.
Alright, that was a practice one.
That was a practice match.
Nilapitan na namin.
That's a practice match.
Okay, so
Gets na.
gets na?
Gets.
Name
Name is
natin,
on.
gets na, okay.
Your
Audience,
name.
are you ready, audience? Okay, give us a name. Ha? Lumen?
Lumen.
Sinanay Lumen.
Lumen
Sa Tide.
is your name.
Lumen.
I've got a friend, his name is Lumen. Mahilig siya magdasal, sabi niya.
Amen.
I've got a friend whose name is Lumen. Mahilig ako sa noodles, yun ay...
Ramen. Lumen. Ramen.
I've got a friend whose name is Lumen. Josh ang first name at pangalan niya.
Last name. Last name niya is Kalen.
Ano daw?
Just ang first name, pangalan Karen.
Yeah, I got a friend, his name is Lumen. Lagi siyang gutom, lagi.
Lagi siyang anong gusto niya doon sabihin? Lumen, lagi siyang gutom, lagi siyang anong gustong sabihin ni Kedod? Oh, we have our first joke. We have our first joke of the day.
Next name na.
Next name. All right.
Next name. Okay. For this round, this is 18 round. 18.
18
Okay.
round.
This is only for 18.
Only 18, okay? You can do it, guys. You can do it. You can do it, okay? I believe in you, guys. I believe in you. You got this, okay? This round, 18 lang. Okay, give us a name.
Give us a tough one.
Tough one talaga.
Yeah.
Gina. Gina?
What's your name? Yeah, what's your name? Ha? Maharlika?
Maharlika?
Ano daw? Talia?
Maria?
Maria? Maria! Maria daw, Maria.
Maria is your name.
Halo-halo lang yung PSA. Sigaw na pangalan doon. May Maria, may Talia.
Okay.
May Ana.
sabi ko na, Maria.
Okay?
Maria. 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 Let's go. Maria. You.
I got a friend, her name is Maria. Mahilig siyang kumain ng
Chichiria.
Maruya. Sana sabihin ko. Maruya. I got a friend.
Her name is Maria. May nakainan kami ang gusto ko.
At least, I mean, this batch of, 18, sa day 2 for Go to Friend, they actually, they get the game. Like yesterday, we have, 18 na nag-freestyle, no? Straight up just freestyling. Hey, I got a friend, name is Maria.
I got a friend whose name is Maria. Medyo madalim, kailangan namin ng
Bumbilya. Medyo madilim. Medyo madilim. Okay?
I got a friend, her name is Maria. Wala siyang buo, panay.
Maria.
Wala siyang buo. Okay, coaching session. Coaching session. Let's coach our team.
I got a friend whose name is Maria. Mahirap lang siya, wala siyang pera.
Alright, I think that ends the
That-
round. Thank you so much for playing Goat of
That ends there. Parang meron pa namang gusto sa Stella i-entry, no?
Friends.
Meron pa kami, sayang. Ang ganda pa naman ng ano.
Sige nga, ito, sige last.
Last. Oo nga pala, ito si Kuya. Kuyang shoutout to my wife. Hindi pa ano.
I got a friend named Maria. Lagi siyang tama. Maria!
Ngayon lang pumasok si Kuya eh.
Okay, don't mess it up.
Don't mess it up.
I got a friend named Maria. Lagi siyang tama. Maria! I've got a friend, her name is Maria. Wala siyang mali, pero siya'y palya.
Ayun yung ano.
Alright, thank you for playing. Let's take a photo op for everyone on stage.
Don't mess it up. I mean, hindi naman siya nagkamali ng pagkakasabi. Nagkamali siya sa tempo, di ba? Sa beat.
Thank you guys.
Grabe, ang saya nun. Nag-enjoy ba kayo, 18?
Sir. Okay, that is again SB19, and I was there. Thanksgiving fan meet day 2. Again, that was the Q&A, the Was Seer, and Goat of Friend. You know what? I feel like, especially sa Was Seer and also lahat no? From Q&A to Was Seer and the Goat of Friend, I feel like mas nakaka-enjoy, mas maganda yung ngayon, no? Mas gustuhan ko yung ngayon. Kasi maganda rin pa rin naman yung day 1, pero mas masaya yung day 2. Man, mas na-enjoy ko yung day 2. Especially we have, like leaks na, maybe they're gonna go to Coachella next year, guys. But we will see, man. we will see. At least we have that, pinangahawakan for next year. But that is our reaction for today. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and see you on the next one. Peace.